certain manner. So we have a series of 36 countries representing country in sub-Saharan Africa in this Excel file. So we have the first country, which is Benin, which have in the second column the country ID 1. So we have here of observation of different variable which is from 1970 to 2018. So we have variables such as IMF purchase, PPG, GNI, which stand for gross national income, and the total debt service in percentage of goods and services and primary income. So we have each country, Benin, for example, Benin, we have one as country ID, and we have observation on Benin through 1970 to 2018. We have the second country, which is Benin, which is Burundi, which have two as a country indicator, and we have also data running from 1970 to 2018. So we have any other countries such as Burkina Faso, Cameroon, and so on. So we have first of all country, which is repeated as much as there are time observation, and thirdly or fourthly we have different variables that are recorded in data set. And while your data set have been featured like it is in this Excel file, you are now ready to run panel data analysis in Eviews. So the first thing to do is to first of all double click to open Eviews. So it takes some time. So once Eviews have been opened, you can close this tab that is open. So just go to import file by clicking on file, import, and click on import from file. After clicking to import from file, you just need to navigate in your computer to go in the folder in which your Excel file is located, and just click on your Excel file and follow the procedure through the last stage and finish your importation. And this tab is open, asking you to link imported series and alpha object to external sources. That's the question. Click on no, and you can see that your variable has been recorded in Eviews.